What? Why is there growling? Why is there growling? Excuse me? Get inside, all of you. I do not like this. What part of get inside do you not understand? Missed. What was that growling? Star, was that you? Alright guys, what I was trying to say was hi and welcome back to Wolf Quest 3, where we're here with Shadow and Star. Hi. There. Oh, she's happy. Do you want to play? And the reason that I got us out of there was because I heard some growling. But let's actually go and see if our elk carcass is still there. So, we need to get Star to come with us. Star. Okay, there. Now she's gonna come with us. Because if we can get some free food from something that we already took down, it'd be great. And there's actually it's really nice having an elk herd right next to us. There's Star. Yo, let's see if we can just easily get might as well get a rabbit. Ooh, there we go. And let's see, how hungry is Star? Okay, she's pretty hungry. Let's leave it for her. Star, you want it? Yeah, that's what I thought. And her pup's affinity is high, but we really don't need to go far from home except to mark territory. That's really all we need to go. Ah, okay, so I think it's... Yeah, okay, so... let's maybe go, so we can take that off the map. Let's go hunt some elk really quickly. They should be around here somewhere. What is this? Cow moose. Ooh! Guys, there's actually some moose up ahead. I think... oh, wait. Wait. There are two cows. And let's just go for the elk. Never mind. Whoa. Okay, this is a bull elk herd, but we took down one before. This one's pretty weak. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. If we can get him on the run. Okay, okay. Maybe we'll go for something else, not the moose. Ah! Fine. Yeah, that's a bull elk herd. Well, the mules here went by here. Yeah, we don't want to mess with you. Fine. Be all tough. Bull elk herd. That's a bull elk herd. Oh, hey, there's mule deer right there. Sometimes they're right in front of me and I can't see them. Oop. Okay, there, she's not super weak, but she's better than those bull elk. Oh, if you go into the water, at least it's only a lake here. So, this lake actually marks another pack's territory. Wait, okay, so it actually marks the Crevice Lake pack's territory, and I think they're actually closing in on us. Yeah, get on our side. Get on our side of the lake. Come on, Star. Got her. Oh, she's almost gone. There we go. Final blow. Alright, so that's some nice and easy food for us. Star, come on. I think she's just eating over there. She's not. No, she's full. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. We are just about full. Okay, yeah, there we go. Let's grab a meat chunk. That one's swimming. Oh, hey, I think the elk herd is actually over here. Yeah, alright. We can't have them on this side of the river. This is our elk herd. Oh, wait, is this a... Okay, this is another bull elk herd. I think this is the... Yeah, this is the... Nope, nope. It's just a bunch of... Okay, I'm gonna call this, Bull Elk Lake. Because there really are a lot of bull elk herds here. And let's go take out their scent post, because in a time when we need it, those bull elk might be really helpful. And there's also some mule deer around here. So, I think everything, just having this territory in general, would be really helpful. Oh, we're on it. Wait, can I not? Okay, you know what? It's good enough. Okay. Wow, it's still actually pretty high. Yeah, also, this is our border. Like, they've been pressing in way too much. So, we're just gonna take this. Alright, let's see what it's down to now. Jeez, we still have a while. This one was being guarded very well. So, we're just gonna try and sneak in here, but we're also gonna try and watch out for enemy wolves. The Crevice Lake wolves are actually the wolves who attempted to kill our pups. And we've had many things attempt to kill our pups, guys. Many things. We've had a grizzly bear, for goodness sakes. And this actually isn't the pack that Shadow wants to be taking over. He wants to be taking over Prospect Peak, but what are they running from? Okay, good, just us. I thought the other wolves might actually be hunting. No, okay, they're just running from us. Okay, we're 20%. And you know what? This is gonna be ours now. They're getting... Let's see, actually. Yeah, our den doesn't have... They can just sneak in right there. So... we should be getting close. Hi. Wait, Star. Star? Okay, I guess we can't play when we're in enemy territory. Or maybe because we're carrying meat. I don't know. Alright, we're just gonna howl. Claim this as ours. Oh, dang, it's still theirs. Wait. Okay, good. I think Star's howl might do it. There we go. Alright. So let's pick up our chunk of meat. Oh, I thought... Okay, guys, I thought those two elk were, like, white bison or something, and like something just killed them. I was like, what? Okay, and let's head back to the den. We really had no need to go very far, guys. And actually, instead of expanding like more upwards, we're gonna try to push right into Prospect Peak. Because I mean, Star understands it too. Okay, this is a little hurt. Star, be careful. And actually, what lake is this? I'm actually curious. It's really pretty. If dens were on south-facing slopes, and I wouldn't be surprised if there was a den around here. Let's actually see what. We'll have to see when we're like not on it, because we can't see when we're on top of it. And I think Shadow would just prefer to go around it, honestly, because he strongly dislikes water, especially hunting prey in or near water. So, that's why he probably won't have his den near a lake, even though I personally think it's beautiful. Me will say and actually all of us, are researchers tracking, this wolf. Whoa, what is that? Is it the moon? Yeah, it's the moon. I don't think we're supposed to be able to see that yet, because it's like in a mountain, but it's the moon. But we are the researchers. I think this is actually number 10. Yeah, it is. So we're getting close. We're gonna say that all of us are actually researchers that are, you know, watching the life of this wolf. As and your dad's gonna go catch a rabbit really quickly. There we go. Was not that rabbit's lucky day. There's another one too. Alright. Give your dad one moment while he goes and catches that. Hey, does anyone want food over here? Here, everyone come back. I'm nervous with you guys being that far away. Oh, shoot, I did the wrong button again. Yeah, I'm gonna call them back in the den because they are a little too far away for comfort. And let's actually eat this meat chunk, as much of it as we can. Alright, now they can come back out. And Twilight actually didn't obey us. I think she's eating food over here, but... Hey, don't wander far away. Saturn, Midnight, Umbra, all of you. Okay, good. Umbra came back. Good, now everyone's coming. Oh, Star's playing with us. She never plays with us, really. She's more of a loner. Star. Yeah, wait. I actually want a picture of this. They're both rolled over. Who is that that's playing like that right there? I don't know who it is, but it's really cute. And, you know, because we need to remember them when they're just all here with their puppies. Oh. Okay, and let's actually... Hey, where are you going? Oh, Saturn. Saturn needs food. Don't howl yet. Guys, can you not all go over there? That includes all of you. Don't think you're immune. Umbra. Let's play with everyone. Oh, Twilight's digging. Twilight really seems to like digging. Dawn. Oh, that was really cute. But even if it's really cute, come over here. Guys, there's nothing left over here. Mars. Mars. Can you guys, like, just not go away anymore? Okay, good. And where's Star? Star? Okay, we're calling everyone inside. Oh, I keep calling them out. I know what to do when it's like, when there's an attack. But, okay, we're actually going to have, guys, I'm sorry about this, but I really want to get the perfect picture of them with their family. Okay, yeah, Star. Okay, so let's see if anyone... Including Star. That was really cute. Well, Star howled. That's what we need. Ooh, there. There, guys. Look how perfect that is. Wow. All the pups are just right there. Star is really pretty. And that's our boy Shadow. He's doing his best to protect all of his pups. I don't want to cool down. You guys think you're too cool for Dad, huh? Come on, Midnight. You want to play? She's like stalking me. Alright, let's make sure no one wandered too far. Oh, look, Dawn's digging. And let's actually... Okay, good. Everyone's almost full. The fleas are actually pretty bad. And wow, it's actually raining. So let's actually go to sleep. I'm a little nervous about sleeping outside, especially when we've been attacked so much. But hopefully, good, everyone's asleep. Where's Star? Good, Star's over there. And yeah, so our pups are really growing. I can't believe it. And whoa. We got stuck on the log there. I bet you right here we get attacked. Okay, yeah, they want food. Let's give you guys some food. Yeah. It's okay, everyone. Mars. Oh, I gave Twilight one pile. And that's actually... Okay, nice! So, Midnight, our big girl, is 11.3 pounds. Twilight is lagging behind at only about 9 pounds, so pretty much 2 pounds behind. Midnight, oh Midnight! Here, you wanna play Midnight? Do you? Or were you just asking for food? I just like how Star gives them food so far away, but here, Twilight, you wanna play? Oh, there, Umbra seems like she wants to play. Oh, there, Mars! Oh, I want a picture. Wait, are all 7 here? Oh yeah, one of them came back from our star. Hold on, we're actually going to take this moment to look around for predators just while time is paused. Okay, so we're good. I love them all. Okay, get inside, get inside, get inside, get inside, get inside! Ah! I told you guys, we are attacked every single time. Guys, what? Get inside, get inside, get inside, get inside. Where? Umbra? Okay, everyone's inside. Where are you? Where is it? Bro, there's nothing is the one who alerts us. I told you guys every single time that we wake up, we get attacked sooner or later. Ah. Alright. Hey, Star, you wanna play? No? Okay. Let's call them out now. Let's see. Yeah, okay. They're all full, so let's actually go to sleep so that we can give them food once they're done. Hey, everyone stay close. Let's wait till everyone's out. Okay, that should be everyone. Guys, don't go too far now. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, good. She's sleeping by her mom. One of them won't settle down. Don't know who that is. Okay. It's snowing! Wow! Okay. Now let's feed everyone, and we're going to be keeping an eye out for an attack because... Ooh, and let's actually check their progress. Almost 12 pounds! Guys, we're getting so close to the summer hunting grounds. And wow, that is actually really pretty with snow. Saturn. Hey, you wanna play? No, you're too cool for Dad. Saturn, that is a little far, buddy. Midnight? Dawn? Ah, everyone's scattering. One of them howled. Then it died out because none of their siblings were. Get inside! Get inside! I see you! I see you! I freaking see you, buddy! Yeah, it's a wolf. It's a wolf, guys. It's not a coyote. It's a wolf. Twilight, get inside! Twilight! Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Twilight! Get inside! Get inside! Twilight! Go! Okay, she's inside. Yeah. Ooh, you're not getting out of this. I can't actually see what path they're from right now. Because Crevice Lake? Oh yeah, forget Prospect Peak. Yeah, forget Prospect Peak. They completely forgot about him. Crevice Lake? No, this one's really fast. Yeah, Crevice Lake is his new arch enemy. Blech. Arch nemesis. Yeah, I saw that in the distance, guys. That's why it's so good to always look around. Because I saw that coyote attack from last time, too. Yeah, I don't care that there's a den. I mean, it's helpful, but like... Oh yeah, we're done. You might kill them this time. You attack them once? Fine, I'll let you go with a warning. But attack a second time? Yeah, no. Good, we're able to go at a pace. And this wolf might be able to get away just because it's fast enough. But if we come at it from the side, we might be able to get it. I feel bad killing other wolves though. I think he'll let this one go again with almost death. There, and we're gonna let him, or her, I can't see right now. Go. Yeah, buddy. Buddy. Bro. Bro. Yeah, run. I can literally keep up with you. You're running deeper into our territory, do you know that? Third time will be the charm. Yeah, forget Prospect Peak. Forget that they kicked them out of it back. And actually, guys, you know what? Just for the story of it, maybe we'll say that, I don't know, maybe Shadow was told a lie. Maybe? Oh, guys, plot twist. Maybe Shadow actually was kicked out by the Crevice Lake pack. And the reason why would be that the Prospect Peak leader was forced into doing it. Maybe the Crevice Lake leader wanted Shadow gone. So he threatened their leader to like maybe kill the leader of Prospect Peak's pups. And that's why they keep attacking Shadow, because they've learned there's a new wolf in town. I actually really like that. Okay, so we're back. Okay, start. Get in. No. No. Umbra. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that wolf. I didn't know if it was a coyote or anything, but yeah. So, please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we continue with Shadow's adventure. Nature Wolf.